guys! For today's video, I'll teach you how to restore your iPhone that is good as new, like you bought in the store. Restart your iPhone first. Enter your passcode. Go to Settings. Click General. Scroll down. Click Reset. Choose Erase all content and setting. Enter your passcode. Don't enter your passcode again. Instead, click for 0. If you don't trust me, then you'll be asked to enter your restrictions passcode again. You'll be asked twice to click Erase iPhone. Okay, now we wait. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press Home button. Select your country or region. Mine is Philippines. If you can't connect to your iTunes, just simply connect to your Wi-Fi. Wait. If you don't remember your passcode, like me in the video. Choose Forgot Passcode and click Enter the passcode later. Here you go. Thank you for watching.